Factor Meals, a meal delivery service that provides fresh meals to your door. All you need to do is reheat it. Sounds great, right? But is it? Keep watching until the end to find out and my thoughts on it as a registered nutritionist. So what are Factor Meals? Well, one thing is for sure is that they are not frozen. Instead, the company delivers them fresh to the customer who has up to 7 days to eat them.
Everything is delivered fresh, which is different from a lot of companies that deliver everything frozen. However, it is packed with ice packs or freezer packs to keep everything chilled. Personally, I had no problems with the delivery of the meal itself.
Customers do not need to do any preparation other than heating the meals in the microwave or oven.
They have 27 plus dietitians that create the menu each and every week. From there are chefs that prepare the meals. They ship them out to you and I. We get to put them in the microwave or in the oven and enjoy them with little to no mess, fuss, and just the ultimate convenience that you could possibly have.
The available meal plans include between 4 to 18 meals per week, and there are 20 or more weekly menu options. Factor offer menus suitable for the following diets: ketogenic, plant-based, low-calorie, low-carb, paleo, high-protein, gluten-free, and vegetarian. Customers can also filter their meal choices by allergens. Apparently, Factor works closely with select suppliers and claims to use high-quality ingredients in all of its meals. All produce is free of genetically modified organisms and organic wherever possible. Also, all poultry and eggs are cage-free and antibiotic-free, and meats are either pasture-raised or grass-fed. Factor also buys salmon that is certified by Best Aquacultural Practices, a third-party program that ensures seafood sustainability. I mean, it seems to tick many of the boxes so far. But who is Factor Meals delivery service for? Well, if you have a busy lifestyle or limited cooking skills, then Factor Meals may suit you. The meals are aimed to be convenient and take the stress out of shopping, preparing, and cooking. The company states that it delivers Monday through Wednesday and arranges delivery slots by zip code. It also notes that as long as people give a 4-week notice, they can skip a delivery if they happen to be away that week. But how much does this all cost? Well, the Factor Meal delivery service organises meal plans based on the number of meals a person orders per week. And as you can see from this table, this varies depending on how many meals a week you choose. One good thing to note is that individuals can pause, cancel, or change their Factor Meal delivery service plan at any time to avoid unwanted charges and meals. Now let's dive into the pros and cons, but before we do, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can join my community. Let's get to the truth about nutrition together. Now let's get back to the video. Let's first look at the pros. Well, Factor meals are fully prepared meals, which is good if you don't have time on your hands and you're not good at cooking. There are also options available for several dietary restrictions. There are add-ons available including snacks, shakes, wellness shots, and juices. They say that they source high-quality, sustainable ingredients, and meals are produced in a gluten-free facility. Now let's explore the health benefits of Factor meals. Factor provides a variety of nutrient-rich meals that may aid weight loss. On their website, they say that the meals tend to average about 600 calories. People can also choose lower calorie meals. Therefore, Factor could be useful for someone who wants to lose weight. In addition to low calorie meals, Factor offers low carbohydrates and keto meals. A short-term keto diet may be effective for weight loss, but the diet is very difficult to sustain in the long term. Scientists need to carry out more research to confirm the long-term safety and effectiveness of the diet. If you want to learn more about the keto diet, then I'll leave a link in the description below to one of my videos where I go into more detail. Factor also offers a selection of high protein meals, each of which provides around 30 to 50 grams of protein per serving. Studies show that eating more protein may support weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reduced appetite. If your goal is not to lose weight but to have more of a balanced diet, then Factor meals may help. A 2019 study notes that using a subscription service such as Factor may help people with a busy schedule maintain a balanced diet. And if you're looking for one-to-one support, then individuals can also book a free 20-minute nutrition consultation with a registered dietitian to discuss which Factor meals are right for them and to create a nutrition plan. All sounds great so far, right?
Sounds great.
But are there any downsides? Well, the main con is the cost.
How much does it cost?
It can be relatively expensive, especially if you're planning to use the service for an extended period. And it's more expensive than some other similar options such as Freshly and Trifecta Nutrition. Also, it doesn't help you develop cooking skills. Unlike other services that provide meal kits with recipe cards and pre-portioned ingredients, Factor meals arrive fully prepared. While this may be convenient, it isn't the best choice if you're looking to prepare nutritious meals on your own or brush up on your cooking skills. Another downside is that some meals may have high sodium levels. For example, the keto chorizo chili contains 970 milligrams of sodium per serving, which is approaching half of your recommended daily intake. Why is it important we watch how much sodium we consume? Well, higher sodium intake is linked to high blood pressure. We do need some salt in our diets, but we're eating too much of the stuff. Eating lots of sodium is linked to high blood pressure, which makes your blood vessels work harder and less blood may get to your organs, which is definitely not a good thing. And in turn, increases the risk of heart disease. So, should you try Factor meals? If you're limited for time, not an avid cook, but want to make sure you're having a balanced meal, then Factor meals may suit you. But cost is definitely a factor. Relying on a meal delivery service like Factor meals for a long period of time is expensive. Buying your own groceries and cooking is much cheaper. If you're pressed for time during the week, try to plan meals weekly to make grocery store visits easier, or cook in bulk and portion it out so you can eat it throughout the week. If you enjoy cooking, then it's cheaper to simply prepare your own meals ahead of time and store a few servings in the freezer for quick lunches or dinners. Have you tried Factor meals? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then hit that subscribe button. Remember, enjoy food and stay happy and healthy. Catch you on the next one.